Welcome to AI in Link. I believe one person can do amazing things with AI, and I am here to try it out. I post my experiments, new tools, and thoughts along the way. If that sounds fun, follow me. Be one of my early subscribers and let's grow together. Today, I'm sharing 10 AI Comet Browser features that could help you in work and life. I'll drop the link at the end. First is this daily digest sending AI news feature. It's a great way to get customized news. Let me show you exactly what it does. Create a task, schedule the time. So every morning at 11 a.m., without any effort from me, it sends me a daily digest right into my notifications. So if you have anything you want to set up for automated delivery, you can use this feature. This is incredible. Second is the web assistant feature. I'm just browsing this game website and my assistant is right here on screen. I can ask it anything about this page, like please summarize all secrets in this game. Then the answer will show immediately. You also can select the word that you don't really get it. Please explain it. Then you will get the right answer. This is truly more convenient than ChatGPT because I don't like to switch the pages. Third is YouTube Video Assistant. Ask Comet to summarize the video. Then I can quickly know the summary of the video. So information gathering got easier. But how to organize it all? Then try the fourth feature, create the page in Notion. Just type summarize it in Notion. Just want a quick way to capture this entire page of info without having to copy-paste everything. It should be super simple. The process is actually really straightforward. You can see it's pulling in all text from the assistant right now, which is exactly what we need. This saves me literally hours of my copy-paste work. Okay, so the fifth feature I'm obsessed with is editing emails feature. You just type a few words, what kinds of email you need, and then it automatically generates this professional-looking draft into your email. Look at how polished that looks already. It's honestly amazing. If the prompt is very precise, it definitely saves your time. Let's talk about the sixth feature, PDF analysis. I have this document here, 43 pages. Used to take forever to read. I can ask it directly. Tell me the top 10 most useful points. It answers everything. It's easy to ask questions based on document. Really useful for understanding long documents quickly. So instead of having to open up different platform or tab just to get some information from your document, you can do it all right here in one place. For daily life, there are some practical ones too. Like if you want a shopping assistant, it is useful to ask Comet to shop online. We're gonna buy some eyelash glue from Amazon. You literally just type your request into the chat box. I'll say, help me buy eyelash glue, and boom, just like magic. It pulls up a list of products on Amazon, complete with prices and reviews compared to help you decide. You can even click cart to see the final select items. So will you trust it or not for the product it recommended? Number 8, booking ticket. So I'm trying to book a flight from Toronto to Hong Kong for tomorrow night. Let's see what happened. I've got the date set, and it looks like there are some options. But wow, look at that price. That is actually expensive. Honestly, I don't think I want to pay over 2.5K just for one way. So let me ask if we can find something cheaper in 1 week instead. Okay, so now it's searching for flights leaving next Saturday. And you know what? It seems it is not smart enough to find a cheaper ticket for me, because it is loading for a long time. But I believe it can do correctly if I give it a precise prompt at the beginning. And set a price alert. This stock price alert is helpful to me. For example, alert me when B&B price at $1,100. Just need to set up a task in advance. Don't need to keep watching. It'll notify to your email when prices reach the time you set. The last one is more professional. It's generating analysis reports. Use its sign to select all the multiple browser tags. Compare these game websites and analyze the advantage and disadvantages. for being a publisher and developer. And then the assistant will present you with a full analysis report. Put this report into Notion, and you can see all the data generated in Notion smoothly and organized. Now I can identify the difference through the complete comparison table. This feature saves so much time analyzing complex data manually. Okay, these are 10 features of Comet Browser. I've switched to Comet as my default browser. How would you use it? And this is the link to get free 1 month of Comet Browser Perplexity Pro. I'll drop the link in the description. Let me know which feature you find most helpful in the comments below.